Hello students, welcome to your Punjabi class. Today we will do copy work. And what are the exercises which we are going to do are correct the word, unjumble the words, draw pictures of and identify the pictures. And before that, I will suggest you all to read page number 41, 42, 43 and 44 of Shabad Sulekh book where 3-letter words are given to you. Now take out your Punjabi copy and open a new page. Set margin lines there and put today's date and h.w. After that, leave first line and in the next line before margin line write down EX exercise 1. And after margin line write down correct the word CORRECT correct, THE the WORD word, correct the word. And under this exercise set two numbers. After the margin line in front of number 1 write down Pabba, Vava, Nana. And then leave one box and put hyphen. Now in front of number 2 after the margin line leave one box and write down Pappa Gagga Tatta. And then after leaving one box put hyphen. Now in this exercise you have to correct the word. Words are given to you. You have to find out which letter is incorrect. Which letter you have to change to correct the word. And how will you come to know which letter to change? For that you have to work on the sound. So read the word. Pabba Vava Nana Pavan. And you know the spellings of Pavan is Pabba Vava Nana. You have read page number 41, 42, 43, 44. There you got the spellings. Pavan means palace and the spellings are Pabba Vava Nanna. So here Nana is written. That means you have to change Nana with Nanna. And you have to rewrite the word after hyphen like this. Pabba Vava Nanna Pavan. Similarly, you have to do the next one. Now, leave one line and in the next line write down EX exercise 2. Exercise 2 is unjumble the words. UNJUMBLE unjumble, THE the WORDS words. Unjumble the words. Now, put colon and then set two numbers under this exercise. In front of number 1 write down Vava Pabba Nanna. And then after leaving one box put hyphen. Again in front of number 2 we will leave one box and we will write Gagga Nanna Rara. And then after leaving one box we will put a small hyphen. Now I will tell you what to do in this exercise. In this exercise you have to rearrange the letters given in an order to form a meaningful word from these given letters. Now look at the first number. I will solve the first one. First is Vava Pabba Nanna. Vaban. It is not a meaningful word. So here we will unjumble the letters. We will interchange the letters to form a sensible meaningful word. So here Vaban is not a word. We will think Nanna Pabba Vava Nabav is not a sensible word. Then again we will try to make a sensible word. Nanna, Vava, Pabba. Again it is not a sensible word. Now what it should be? It should be Pabba, Vava, Nanna, Pavan. So here we have to interchange the letters only. Okay. We will not replace any letter with any other letter. We will simply interchange the letters to form sensible word. In the previous exercise, we have changed the letter because the letter was incorrect. Here, all the letters given are correct only, but we have to rearrange the letters given. Now, leave next line and in the next line put exercise 3. And after the margin line, write down DRAW, draw, PICTURES, pictures, OF, off, and then put a colon. The exercise is draw pictures of. Now set 2 numbers under this exercise. Here in this exercise, we have to draw pictures. And for that, firstly set the exercise. In front of number 1, write down Mamma tanka rara matar. And then after leaving one box, put hyphen. In front of number 2, write down Kakka lalla mamma kalam. And then after leaving one box, put hyphen. Now you have to draw the pictures of the words given. But if you don't know the meanings of the words given, then you will not able to draw the picture. So for that you have to read and revise the 3-letter words given on your book. Now look at the word given in front of number 1, that is matar. Matar, it's a vegetable. Peas. So it is very easy to draw the picture now because we know the meaning. We know what's the meaning of matar, how it looks. So the first one I have drawn. Now the second one you have to do it by yourself. Now move to the next page for the next exercise. Here set the margin lines and after leaving first line, write down EX exercise 4. Exercise 4 is identify the picture. Write down IDENTIFY, identify, THE, the, PICTURE, picture, and then put a colon. Now under this exercise set 2 numbers. In this exercise you will be given some pictures and you have to find out the name of the pictures. And you have to write the names in Punjabi in front of the given pictures respectively. Now draw the pictures on your copy as it is given here. Now in front of number 1 I have drawn one picture. I will tell you how to write the Punjabi meaning of that. The first picture is a picture of road. Road means sadak. So after hyphen we will write sassa rada kakka sadak. This one I have done for you. The next one you have to do it by yourself. Now I hope you will do all these exercises on copy in good handwriting and in proper formation. And I hope you understood what I taught you today. Thanks for watching the video.